Well, hello. Doing an update. Finally got all the electrical done for the trailer. I just wanted to show the cab first, though. I got over here where all the controls on the right side of the tractor are. I have this is the Summit multiplier for remotes, which is just 12 volt solenoid remotes. So this one here is for the 3-point, which is, that would be the winch, that would be the top link, pull it in and out. This one here is for the trailer. This will be for the rams. This will be for like a dump gate off the dump box that goes on there. This will be for another trailer in the back behind the trailer. And then over here I have these two. This one operates a compressor. That's on. I don't know if you can hear that. So compressor on. This is the lift axle. Off, it's up. Down, you can hear it. There it goes. So I got an RV plug for all the trailer lights, directionals, brake lights, power. This trailer has an actuator on it, so hydraulic, electric over hydraulic, or hydraulic over electric. And then so this has got 3 pigtails. One is the RV plug, which is trailer lights, directionals, brake lights, so on. And one is a commercial 7-way. That has all the options to operate the compressor, the lift axle, the 3 remotes, and I also hooked into my rear spotlights of the tractor here to the spotlights on the trailer. So that was another one there. And then that has power. Then I have another connection, which is a 2-way, which is a jumper to the battery for the trailer to charge it. But yeah, the only thing I got left to hook up is that lead down there for this. Once I get that done, there's only one wire really, other than running the power and ground and stuff. And a signal for the trailer, which is blue. And that will be done. But yeah, let me get out and show you what the lights look like. And there we go. So it's our tongue. We got a spotlight. That one's angled out that way a little bit. Pretty bright. Got another one angled straight out. Four ways are on. That red part one there in the back is a marker and brake light. I put triangles here, little dinky ones. I put a spotlight underneath there. And the opposite side. Same thing. But yeah, wiring's all done. There's 3 plugs. The RV plugs, the trailer lights, and then the commercial's operation, and a 2-way for charging the battery. It's just a power and a ground. It goes back to the battery. Back there. That is a Summit multiplier remote. I'll do a video on that. Actuators back here. This has all been plumbed in. It's already been bleeded and ready to go. Just gotta hook up the controller in the tractor. And then the plugins on the tractor. RV Commercial power. And I got the winch done, the quick mount. We put that together today and got that up and running. I got another Summit two-way multiplier right there. I'll do a video on that. I left room for a PTO shaft to come up through here. So, and the hydraulics going in that way. The hydraulics are almost done. I'll do a video on that when they're ready. They hook on that side. So, but yeah, it's been about 6 months, so we're doing good. I appreciate it. I've been watching the videos and commenting. So, all right. Enjoy. God bless. We'll make another video here pretty soon. Thank you.